The universe of internet users has been shaken. We, of Mr. Ash Mufareh's company, have been paying attention to the messages in our back office. Little did we know that on June 21, 2025, something unprecedented occurred with Mr. Mufareh's founders and affiliates. We had received messages before, but this 4-word message is monumental. There has never been a shorter message that was more powerful than the 4 words Mr. Mufareh disseminated in the back office on June 21, 2025. Do you remember another June 21st? It was June 21, 2022, when the last of the founders registered as founders in Mr. Mufareh's former company, almost 3 years ago. Do you think Mr. Mufareh has been sitting on his laurels, doing nothing? No, he has been busy getting rid of people who weren't productive and hiring those who are. Under the direction of Mr. Mufareh, his company is moving in a new direction. Winning, winning, oh, winning. This is the essence of where we are now. The significance of repeating something 3 times underscores confidence in your message, allowing prospects to feel secure in their decision. Ash Mufareh has those caught off guard and surprised, but he didn't surprise those who are intuitive. A conversation with Julie Nguyen revealed her feelings about June. John, I sense something is about to happen. Sure enough, I woke up Saturday morning to a text from Julie urging me to check the back office. It was as if I had awakened from a deep sleep. The grogginess was gone, and I was wide awake. Consider the struggles Mr. Mufareh and his family have faced. This pivotal moment in the back office stands as a testament to all, even to those who don't yet grasp it. We are about to shake up the universe of internet. This new direction for the company signifies so much more for Mr. Mufareh and his family than anyone else because this is a vindication of everything they have endured. Winning, winning, oh, winning. It validates something spectacular, something about to boil from the pot onto the stove. Put your goggles on. The steam rising from this new company is powerful. All that has been shared reflects the opinion of John White and Bill Must. We have always been aligned with the vision and heart of Mr. Ash Mufareh.